Starting with the eye cream and applying it on the lid to moisturize, and then applying the concealer. Off Melrose from ColourPop and on the list, which is a mauve shade with a large shadow brush. Applying it on the lid and going above the crease, and then with a large blending brush, we're just going to blend it to soften it. With the same brush, we're going into Boutique, which is a tan shade, and this one we're applying on the lid but staying below the crease. Just pat it on. Next, we're using Warrior 2 palette, which you just need a black and an angled eyeliner brush. We're applying this as an eyeliner by patting it along the lash line, going all the way down to the other corner and then underneath as well. Taking 2 gel pencil liners, and the Maybelline one is for underneath the eye, and the other one from Araceli is for inside the waterline. With a small shadow brush into Boutique again to smoke out the bottom, and then smoking out the top very lightly, not too much. Now with a small blending brush, we're going into Down to Earth, which is a dark brown, and applying it on the outer corner and working it inwards. With a small shadow brush, we're going to go again into the dark brown and applying it on the outer corner and creating an edge or a triangle shape, and then blending it to soften it. With the eye cream, we're going to apply it underneath the eye, just tap it on, and then with a silicone applicator or your finger, you can apply the glitter in an upside down triangle shape. Just pat it on. And then applying mascara on the top lashes and the bottom ones as well. And the look is finished.